So how to order delivery from the McDonald's app. So to order delivery from the McDonald's app, it's very simple to do. And obviously the benefit of using the McDonald's app directly is you get to accumulate your points, which of course wouldn't be possible if you used a third party such as Uber Eats or Deliveroo. But first things first, you obviously want to open up the McDonald's app and you simply want to go ahead and select order. Then once you've selected order, nice and simple, you just want to select McDelivery. Then once you've done that, you simply just want to go ahead and input your address. So you can use the search bar here to go ahead and search for your address and pick it out from the drop down menu right here. Then once you've selected your address, you'll then just want to go ahead and confirm it by clicking deliver here right at the bottom. And then from there, nice and simple, you just want to go ahead and pick your order. So you can browse the menu, decide what you want to order. For example here, let's say quarter pounder. And of course, if you want to make it a meal, you can customize it from here. So just go ahead and pick your order, whatever it is. And then once you've selected all your items, you can click checkout now, right here. Then from there, it will show you what's in your bag. And if you're happy with your purchase, you can select choose payment right here. Then from there, one final time, it just gives you a review. And at the bottom right here, it will tell you how much it's going to cost, including any delivery fees. So from there, you can also change the method that you want to pay with. So for the example of this video, I'm just going to go with Apple Pay. You can also add debit card details if you'd prefer to do it that way as well. But if you're happy with that, go ahead and place the order. And there you have it. And you've successfully placed your McDonald's delivery order on the McDonald's app. So from here, you can go ahead and track it as well. And it should give you an estimated time of arrival. And if you go back to the home page, you should see this option right here. And if you want to go back into tracking your order, you can go ahead and select track your order right here. And there you have it. And because it's using Uber Eats, you should be able to get live updates from your driver as well. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below. And thanks again for watching.